Hi friends, welcome back to Keeping Up with Miss Electra, and today is my 2018 Christmas home tour. Alright, so if I do put it up late, I'm sorry, but I still want to show you the way I decorated. So right here is my little entryway. So I kind of decorated like, the tree. Okay, I kind of decorated like vintagey, but childhood-like. You know, everything, I guess, like a rocking horse, you know, a sled. I don't know, just symbolizes all childhood, you know, memories of Christmas and winter. So that's what I kind of went with over here, if it makes sense. All right, so I'm going to tell you where I got some stuff. I'm going to try to go quick. All right, this soldier, of course, that was Michael's this year. The door is from Joann's. The mailbox, I think it's Michael's too. And the card stand too. And those beads are from, I think, Target. Okay, so I had this rocking horse from Hobby Lobby, 3-4 years, I think. So, and the presents from Michael's this year too. And then the sled is from Michael's, and then I just put these skates. I think those are from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. I'm not sure, but so I just loved how this looked. Okay, and then this little corner, I didn't do much. I just put, I had those houses. I got those buckets from Michael, and then I had the sled. I put the horn. And that galvanized tree, you know, wool decor, I guess. That's it. And on the basket, I put the truck. I've had these things. That's from Target, I think 2 years ago. The trees from Michael's I got this year, and the horn, I don't even know where I got. I had that. All right, so I think it looks cute. And then my bathroom is in here, but I'm not going to even show you how I decorate it because I have a video, and I'll put that video down below so you can see how I decorated, you know, this bathroom. Oh, and if you did see the video, let me turn the light. So if you did see my video, I did put this rug instead of the other one in here now. All right, then I have this basket hanging on my door. This is from Target. I don't know, I think spring line. I've had these from Hobby Lobby. All right, and then this is my dining room. It's still like that. I got a few new stuff, like the pillow that matches with it, and the tree skirt. I thought that was cute. Anyway, so if you want to see more details of my dining room, I have a video too. I'll link that, and then you can see all the details and where I got everything from. All right, so right here is my living room. So I'm going to just go really quick and just show you, you know, everything I decorated with. All right, and here we know this is Trixie. Hi, Trixie. Hey, good girl. Hi. Yeah. And here is Daisy. Okay, so let me show you my couch. All right, so this is my couch right here. I'll just try to go really quick to, you know, in detail everything. All right, that Merry Christmas is from Target 2 years ago. That pillow is new. I think it's Opal House. Blanket from Target. And, okay, let me show you over here. Reindeers from Target. And then I have all these mercury glass and then bottle brush trees. Mercury glass, I think, I don't know where I got these red ones from. So the bottle brush, I believe some are Target and some were Pure One import. And the Target ones were from Opal House. And then there's Mercury Santa Claus, and then it's just some Mercury big ornaments. I didn't want to put them in the tree because I felt like they were going to break. So I just left it like this. I thought it was very pretty, old Mercury and bottle, you know, the bottle brush trees. So very cute. And then just on my coffee table, I just put this. It was simple, so I thought that was cute. And then over here I put some more trees. And all right, I'll show you close. All right, this tree was, I think, from Bed Bath & Beyond. That wooden tree, this one I think was Michael's. And then the Mercury glass trees. And then those trees are from Target that are in the cloche. And the cloches are from Hearth and Hand this year. So I decided to put those in there. I thought it was cute. That's a book I've had so many years. It opens up, it's a box really. Some bottle brush trees. And then this glass tree, that's Target. And then all these books I've had for so many years, the Christmas books. And then Nutcracker, and then some other books that just looked good because they were green. But don't mind the title. All right, then Mercury glass in this lantern. And then down here, I just left those 2 lanterns, and then I put the trucks and then the wreaths. Thought that was cute. All right, so right here is my mantle. I love the way my mantle turned out. I just love it. So I'll go in detail. The candlesticks are, I think, Michael's. The lanterns is Walmart. Of course, these are from Michael this year. The vintage candy molds. I love those. December 25th. I think that was Hobby Lobby. The lanterns from, these lanterns are from Walmart. And then this candlestick is, what I say, Michael's, right? All right, and these are stockings. They're various places. I think some are Target, I believe. I don't know, last year. And then I love this. This was from Michael's this year. It's a garland, which I love. It was like, you know, it's metal, but it's all worn out and rustic looking, which I love. And down here I just put Santa and I put Santa, the trees, you know, birch wood. That's it. And the mailbox from Hearth and Hand, I think last year, 2 years ago, I'm not sure. Anyway, that's what I did down here. I thought that looked cute too. And then on my barn ladder, I just put the white trees. I thought that looked cute too. And they look really cute when they're lit up at night. I didn't light nothing up, but it looks really pretty lit at night. All right. And then under my TV, I just created this cute little scene of Christmas, the night before Christmas. That is really cute. I don't know if you guys can really see it up close. It's really pretty. That's it. And then I have my Christmas tree right here. It's not lit, but I got that star from Target this year, which I love, and it lights up. Okay. And over here, my dog toys, some Christmas one. Okay, and this is my kitchen for Christmas. Okay, so I will show you close up. So right here, this is how I did the table this year. I think it looks really pretty. This is the place setting. These dishes are from Target Dollar Spot. These are from Bed Bath & Beyond. The utensil holder. These are from Pottery Barn. Let me see what else. Oh, this pillow is from Target this year. Oh, this is from Target, and then I put red candles. Oh, this house believes, that's from Target Dollar Spot too. This old canister looking canister is, I think, from Hobby Lobby. I don't even know when I got it. Okay. So, oh, this I got from Target. This is Threshold. It's a really nice apron. And then this is my little mini gingerbread tree. Let's fix this. So this is my little mini tree. I have popcorn, it's fake. think this is from Target 2 years ago. I don't know. This is from Hobby Lobby. This is from Hobby Lobby. I think this is Hobby Lobby too. And then, I don't know where I got this. Maybe from Amazon, the popcorn. Alright. Okay, and then right here I just have gingerbread biscuits, this little cute sign, this old vintage scale, gingerbread cookies, and then this candle, spiced gingerbread. This vase is from Target. I just put those holly berry, right? I think it is. Okay. And then these curtains I did this year. So I didn't do them. They're from Pottery Barn, the napkins that match with everything, and I just made them into little curtains. If you guys can see, I bought this rod from Hobby Lobby and these little black clips. So it's gonna be so easy if I want to change it and just put any napkins that match with everything. All right, and then I put the Merry Christmas countdown, the little cute reindeers. I think that's Michael's this year. This is from Target too. This is from Target. It actually goes with this set, which I love. It's enamel, so you know I love enamel. And then I have my Mrs. Myers right here with this little scrubby. This is close scrubby. And then this is my hot cocoa bar. I have a video, so if you really want to see in detail, just go to my video and you will see. This is the only thing I changed. I actually found the Santa boots and I put the candy canes, and I actually found this sign too from Target Dollar Spot, which I was looking for, and I found it now. Alright, so yeah, so if you want to know details of my hot cocoa, go look at my hot cocoa bar video. And then over here I have this scale, and then I put all these old ornaments in there. They're about 10 years old. They're not vintage, but they look kind of vintagey, I guess, right? And then my plaid, you know, thermoses, this little cute lunchbox, and then these are from Michael's, these two little Christmas treats and homemade candy. This cute little bell. All right. Oh, and then this rug is the rug that I had in my bathroom, but I switched it. I put this in my kitchen. I don't know, I thought it was much better. So this is my kitchen for Christmas 2018. All right, so that's it. That's my home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. Share my video, tell a friend, and let me know which part of my house was your favorite. You know, what was your favorite decor? Just leave it down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And I hope you always remember to keep designing life. Bye!